Next question. The following data are available for a bond. Bond means debenture in simple language. Face value of the security is 10,000 to be redeemed at par on maturity. So 10,000 is the face value, redemption value is also 10,000. Coupon rate is 8.5% per annum. So rate of interest is given. Number of years to the maturity is given 5 years. YTM is 10%. You are required to calculate. The first question is P0. Second is Macauley's duration. Macaulay was the person who had founded this duration concept. So the name is Macaulay duration. Nothing is great. It is the duration only. Volatility, that is the modified duration. Convexity of the bond. Next, expected market price if there is a reduction in YTM by 200 basis points, that is 2%, by using the Macauley's duration based estimate, that is based on the volatility, and by intrinsic value method, means the present value cash flow method. Intrinsic value method means given discounting rate is provided for 10% and then 8% information is given. Dear students, we know that when we compute the convexity, then in that case we apply the formula like this: P2 plus P1 minus 2P0 divided by 2P0 into change in the cost of capital raised to 2. This is a simple formula that we apply and that is asked over here in this question. However, regarding the change in the cost of capital, there is no clarification made as such. However, looking to the information of the question, like आगे पीछे का थोड़ा information, looking to the information provided to us in the subsequent question, 2% can be taken. The institute has say provided the suggested answer, taking into account so the 2% change in the cost of capital, and with that so the answer is calculated. Dear students, so this is what's the question which has been asked in examination in November 2020 and it was asked for 7 marks. I would like to tell you from my end that say the questions that I did previously, say before November 2010, in that say this was a concept that I had not done in the classroom. Actually, only there was a theory of convexity in the module and there was no practical question that they had asked for, that is in module, in revisionary test paper, in mock test paper, in past examination, nowhere it was given. That was the reason I had not done the convexity concept in the classroom. We can say that say if at all we consider 2 marks for this, because total 5 questions are there, 2 marks if at all we consider, then for this 2 marks it was really say difficult for a student to do the working. However, remaining working are extremely simple, because over here even in the 5th part of the question you don't have to apply the convexity concept. Language of the question is extremely clear. That's why you are required to use the Macaulay duration and you are required to use the intrinsic value. So this was a kind of new point say that we had in examination in comparison to the working that we had done previously.